All right, BFR or occlusion training is very common these days, particularly under the resistance training protocol. So they allow you to train with obviously these straps. You can obviously use like leg straps or even a tourniquet sort of setup as well to reduce the amount of blood flow to the muscle. It's only available, or technically should be only used on your limbs, so your arms and your legs. So I want to demonstrate the arm one for bicep curls and tricep push downs, and just what's involved in regards to that. So look, I use these ones. It's pretty handy in terms of setup. Very simple. It's just a clip setup. So clip it in, run it up your arm. You want to be as high on the arm as you can, effectively under the armpit, and you want to have good contact. So I pull it tight, so I know it's going to obviously reduce the circulation of my blood to the arm for that duration. You don't want it ridiculously tight where you completely cut it off. So I'll put it on both arms for the demonstration, and then as we perform the exercise, you only have to lift about 30 to 50% of the normal load that you normally would, and that's the beauty of it. You can actually lift more. You can do the same amount of work for less load, so it's great for injury rehabilitation as well as development of these particular muscle groups. So for a tricep push down, we complete the exercise, leave them on during the set, leave them on between the sets, so until you finish. So from the first rep to the last rep, you leave them on of all sets. You want to keep it on and create that tension, that stress, that metabolic stress on the muscle for the entire duration. Okay, same with your bicep curls. Same thing, keep them on the entire time. So if you've got 3-4 sets, you don't take them off unless it becomes very uncomfortable. That's the only other thing. If it becomes too uncomfortable, then you need to release them. The only other concern or I guess point I'd like to make in regards to this is if you've got any underlying issues, heart concerns, breathing concerns, anything to do with obviously the vascular system or anything like that, have yourself pre-screened, make sure that you can do these. If you're obviously well and truly healthy, then there's no problem. So that's the application for bicep curls and tricep push downs. Give it a go. It's a great addition to a upper body day. I wouldn't have them repeatedly in continuous blocks. I'd have them in one block, remove them, bring them back in a couple of blocks time so that there's no adaptation to it.